Welcome back to today's episode where we replace this thermocouple on this old girl that's in and amongst it. I love it when it's under the house like this. I'm holding the pilot light down manually, but I can see it's just been chewed out from years of service. So let's swap it in, swap it out. Here's a comparison for you. BTP, keeping the stock on hand, making that service efficient. A 900mm universal gets me out of a toy jam 90% of the time, unless for whatever reason the thermocouple is proprietary to the system, which blows my mind. But let's turn it up. Oh, Liddy to titty, we're back in the game, protecting the community. BTP, follow for more plumbing content.